8 things to do during COVID-19 lockdown. While there are people who have suffered from depression and anxiety due to disturbance in their daily activities, there are others who have managed to be creative and flourish their skills. Now let's check out what activities can we engage in. Number 1. Reading. Reading is in fact the most useful activity one can start during the lockdown. Reading not only sharpens our mind but also broadens our outlook. Reading also increases our concentration. One can read a book to learn something new, acquire some skill, or read fiction for amusement. Reading newspaper and different articles on the internet is also a great idea. Number 2. Physical activity. Physical activity of any kind not only boosts one's health but also improves creativity. Indoor physical exercises and games are the best options. You may also play badminton or table tennis. Such activities kill stress and gives one joy. Number 3. Gardening. Gardening is one of the most enjoyable and healthy activity. Growing plants, taking care of them, watering them and pruning them is a great fun. Or you can make adjustments on daily basis to improve the status of your garden. You can also start organic farming if you have some area at your home. If you do not have any area, you can grow plants in pots. Number 4. Fixing things and cleaning your home. You may fix things that require some repair. Cleaning or painting your home is also a good idea. Number 5. Online activities. This is the best opportunity to start a blog, to write some inspirational articles, or to start a YouTube channel. Or you may start a podcast. Such activities will keep you busy all the time and you can make money online. Number 6. Learning some new skill. It's quite easy to learn a skill in today's time. A lot of stuff is available on the internet and YouTube that helps you learn a new skill. The only things required are motivation and creativity. You can learn some new dishes or you can learn some new language or craft. Painting is also a good idea. Number 7. Take care of your health. Drink lots of water and eat nutritional food. Try to avoid any junk foods or fast foods. Eat foods that have high fiber and low fat. Vegetables offer the best option. If you are obese, then try to lose weight by following a healthy lifestyle. Also get adequate sleep. Number 8. Be creative. Always think of doing and creating new things. It's very delightful to create something new and hence gives you energy and boosts your dopamine.